guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, YourSizeDoll. I'm here today with another video. Today I am doing a hair tutorial on how I got this hairstyle. I've been seeing this hairstyle a lot with one ponytail, so I chose to do two ponytails because it's just, I don't know, I just feel like doing two ponytails. But anyways, if you want to know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So yeah, the only thing I'm using on my head is the this Hicks edge control to like slick my ponytail down. So yeah, because my hair is already wet, it's like super easy to comb out. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. Okay, so I already did the other half off camera, and now I'm about to do this side. It was hard doing this side, but you know, I had to do what I had to do. So I'm gonna go in with the rubber band and just, I don't even know, just twist my ponytail, my little baby ponytail up. I'm gonna put this in a very small bun. And I wanted my hair to be, my real hair to be wavy because of the Marley hair that I use. And the Marley hair that I use is the FreeTress Braid, crochet braid hair. I really never bought braiding hair before, so I really didn't know what I was getting in this color. 1B is a rod twist out. It looks like these. It came in this package. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna take out the package. And on. Okay, so this is the package. FreeTress braiding hair, and it was $5.99 at my beauty supply store. So, anyways, I know on this side of my head, I had to cut the rubber band because it popped, so I had to put another rubber band on. So like this rubber band is not even on. Like really. Okay, so the hair is in half. So okay, so I'm just gonna put a rubber band on this hair. I did it. The hair was like falling out and everything. Like, oh my god. But anyways, so I'm gonna take another rubber band. Y'all know how I go. And put it in between this rubber band. And just put this on my ponytail. Oh, look. Flip that. Yeah, I'm gonna flip that. Okay, this ponytail was definitely easier to put on this side, I guess because this was like trial and error. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces of the Marley hair. Let's see. I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm definitely gonna have to do this one. But yeah. So now I just go in with my rubber bands. And you just get the little small black rubber bands. I put it around twice so it can be a little tight. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put it around once. And I'm gonna get a small rubber band. So the first ball, I'm gonna do this one over, so don't even look at this in comparison to this one, because this one is like, this one messed up. So I'm just gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna take really small rubber bands. Yeah. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and do all that stuff. Share my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.